Welcome to Lispeak. Today, we are going to listen to a conversation at the office. At the end of the video, we will provide you with some vocabulary related to the working world. So, watch this video till the end. Let's get started. Good morning, Sarah. How was your weekend?
Good morning, Billy. It was great. I went for a long hike. How about you?
I had a relaxing weekend. So, have you seen the email about the upcoming project changes?
Yes, I did. It's quite a shift. The boss wants to take over and carry out some new strategies.
Right, and I hear they're planning to call off the meeting that was scheduled for tomorrow.
Oh, that's interesting. So, what do you think we should do?
I think we should work out a plan and draw up a proposal with the changes we want to suggest.
That's a good idea. I will get started on that right away. By the way, do you think I should fill in for Sarah on the project team while she's on vacation?
Definitely. It's a great opportunity for you to take on more responsibilities and knuckle down.
Thanks for the advice. Speaking of responsibilities, we should run by these ideas with the team before we hand in the proposal.
I agree. We don't want anyone to slack off or feel left out.
It's a lot of work, but I'm sure we can carry out this plan effectively.
Absolutely, teamwork will be key to the success of these changes.
Useful phrasal verbs for work. Take over. Meaning, take control of something. Example, the boss wants to take over and carry out some new strategies. Call off. Meaning, cancel. Example, they're planning to call off the meeting. Fill in for. Meaning, to do somebody's job for a short time while they are not there. Example, do you think I should fill in for Sarah on the project team while she's on vacation? Knuckle down. Meaning, start working harder. Example, it's a great opportunity for you to take on more responsibilities and knuckle down. Run by. Meaning, tell someone about an idea. Example, we should run by these ideas with the team. Hand in. Meaning, give something to a person in authority. Example, we should run by these ideas with the team before we hand in the proposal. Slack off. Meaning, do something with less energy and effort than is usual. Example, we don't want anyone to slack off or feel left out.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel.